Hey, fellow riders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the ultimate hub for all motorcycle enthusiasts out there. Today, we've got an exciting lineup for you. A list of the top 8 low-maintenance bikes that are sure to save your wallet while delivering impressive performance on the road. So, without further delay, let's dive into this budget-friendly adventure. Segment 1 HERO Splendor Plus. Starting off our list is the iconic Hero Splendor Plus. This reliable commuter bike has stood the test of time, winning the hearts of riders across India. With its practical design, 97cc single-cylinder engine, and excellent fuel efficiency, single-cylinder air-cooled engine that makes 8.2 bhp and 8 Nm of torque with the help of a 4-speed gearbox. Also, Hero MotoCorp claims a mileage of 81 km/h, which makes it one of the most fuel-efficient motorcycles in the Indian market today. This bike available in 3 variants and 7 colors, and the price starts at 73,059 rupees in India. The Splendor Plus is the go-to choice for everyday commuting without breaking the bank. Segment 2 Honda CD110 Dream. Next up, we have the affordable Honda CD110 Dream, a true entry-level offering from the legendary manufacturer. Simple yet efficient, this bike boasts a 109cc engine, providing enough power for city rides, and an impressive mileage of 74 km/h. Honda CD110 Dream price starts at 49,336 and goes up to 72,246, ex-showroom. It has drum front brakes and drum rear brakes. CD110 Dream weighs 112 kg and has a fuel tank capacity of 9.1 L. Segment 3 Bajaj Platina 100. Moving on, we have the Bajaj Platina 100, a no-nonsense commuter bike that offers both affordability and reliability. With its 102cc engine and an RI-certified mileage of 90 kpl, this bike proves to be a cost-effective choice for riders seeking low maintenance. The Platina 110 is the only motorcycle in the segment to feature ABS and gets features such as a LED DRL and digital speedometer. Bajaj has launched the 2023 Platina 110 ABS in India, priced at 72,224 rupees, ex-showroom. Segment 4 TVS Star City Plus. When it comes to high-end commuters with low maintenance costs, the TVS Star City Plus steals the spotlight. With LED headlights, a 109cc engine, the 109cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine in the TVS Star City Plus produces 8.07 bhp and 8.7 Nm of torque linked to a 4-speed gearbox and gives a strong 68 km/h. TVS Star City Plus comes in 2 variants. TVS Star City Plus comes in 2 variants. This bike offers more features without burning a hole in your pocket. Segment 5 HERO HF Deluxe. If mileage is your top priority, then look no further than the Hero HF Deluxe. With its fuel-efficient 100cc engine and an i3S system for enhanced efficiency, the body of the motorcycle has been kept very simple, not giving extra attention to design and details. As the bike is priced at a relatively low cost, the spare parts, if required, will also not come at a high cost. This means service costs, replacement costs, or any other expenses will be minimal. The Hero HF Deluxe is powered by a 4-speed, 100cc air-cooled engine and can make 7.91 bhp and 8.05 Nm of peak torque with a strong mileage of 70 km/h. This bike ensures your fuel expenses stay minimal, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders. Segment 6 Hero Passion Pro. The Hero Passion Pro is a bestseller for a reason. With its attractive styling, a 113.2cc engine, and a strong fuel economy of 60 km/h, the Hero Passion Pro is one of the best-selling Hero motorcycles and gets its styling from Hero's Splendor iSmart 110. Considering the Passion Pro is a high-selling motorcycle, the price has to gel with the target audience and is at 74,328 rupees. The only difference is a slight drop in power and an increase in mileage. The motorcycle has a fuel economy of 60 km/h. With such strong fuel efficiency, the bike doesn't have to be refueled that often, saving quite a lot of money. This bike not only looks too good but also helps you save on maintenance costs. Segment 7 HERO Glamour. Next we have the Hero Glamour, a bike that redefines value for money. With its 5-speed gearbox, fuel injection system, and a fuel-efficient 124.7cc engine that can put out 10.7 bhp and 10.6 Nm of torque, The Hero Glamour is the first bike in its class to have a 5-speed gearbox and fuel injection. The bike comes to give a mileage of 60 km/h. The top variant is Hero Glamour Disc Black and Accent, which comes at a price tag of 84,908 rupees. The Glamour features especially Honda's enhanced Smart Power, which increases performance and fuel efficiency by reducing friction. Along with this, it has a bunch of other features such as silent start, side stand engine cut-off, 5-step adjustable suspension, a seal chain with more. The Glamour brings you the perfect balance of performance and low maintenance. There you have it, folks, the top 7 low-maintenance bikes that give you the best of both worlds, pocket-friendly expenses and a fantastic riding experience. Remember, these bikes prove that you don't have to compromise on quality to stay within your budget. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting content like this. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the passion for motorcycles burning.